Asterisk, the 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper arrives with a surprising level of practicality, comfort, and modern engineering that most people simply do not expect from a compact van. From the moment you first walk around it, the Dokker's tall stance, wide sliding doors, and squared-off architecture instantly tell you this machine was built for real-world travelers who care more about usability than showing off. But what makes the 2025 model special is how Dacia has refined the formula to feel more like a tiny rolling apartment rather than a basic cargo van with a mattress inside. The engineers focused on maximizing space efficiency, strengthening the body structure for safer long trips, and tuning the driving dynamics so the van feels stable even when fully loaded with camping gear. The exterior design adopts a slightly sharper front fascia, a cleaner grille pattern, and tougher plastic moldings that protect the lower body from gravel and off-road debris. It may not scream luxury, but it absolutely screams capability, reliability, and everyday usability, which is exactly what campervan buyers want. Asterisk, step inside the 2025 Dokker Camper, and you immediately understand why this model is becoming a favorite among van life beginners and long-distance budget travelers. The interior feels surprisingly open thanks to the high roofline and smart window placement that floods the cabin with natural light. Dacia's design philosophy here is simple. Create a space where every inch performs a purpose. The camper module integrates a full folding bed system that transforms effortlessly between sleeping mode, lounge mode, and cargo mode without requiring any complicated mechanisms. The materials are durable, washable, and resistant to moisture, which is critical for campers who travel across multiple climates. Storage racks, overhead compartments, and underbed drawers make it possible to carry clothing, kitchen essentials, and basic tools without cluttering the living area. Even though the van remains compact, the sense of freedom you get when sitting inside and planning a trip is far bigger than the size of the vehicle itself. Asterisk, the kitchen setup in the 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper is a testament to how far small camper packages have evolved. Instead of bulky installations, everything is kept lightweight, modular, and travel. You get a compact dual-burner gas stove, a sliding countertop, and a neatly integrated freshwater tank paired with an electric tap for washing dishes or brushing teeth. The rear tailgate can be used as a natural shelter when cooking outdoors during rain or harsh sunlight, and the kitchen layout makes it easy to prepare meals without feeling cramped. A small but efficient portable refrigerator sits in a custom housing that maintains stability, even on bumpy roads. The airflow system is improved with additional vents, so you can cook without filling the cabin with heat or fumes. Whether you're brewing morning coffee beside a mountain lake or grilling dinner after a long drive, the Dokker's kitchen layout brings a sense of ease and practicality that bigger vans often fail to deliver. Asterisk, performance-wise, the 2025 Dokker Camper is engineered for travelers who want reliability above all else. Under the hood sits a fuel-efficient engine tuned for long-distance touring, extracting solid performance without sacrificing economy. Whether equipped with the petrol engine or the torque-friendly diesel option, the Dokker maintains enough power to handle mountain roads, highways, and gravel tracks confidently. Its suspension has been refined for better ride comfort, even when carrying heavy cargo or camper equipment. And thanks to improved sound insulation, the cabin remains noticeably quieter during long highway cruises, allowing travelers to talk, listen to music, or even record content without excessive road noise. The steering feels predictable, the braking system is responsive, and the weight distribution gives a balanced driving feel, making the Dokker a reliable companion for cross-country adventures. Asterisks, one of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 Dokker Camper is how spacious it feels despite being a compact van. This is partly due to Dacia's efficient interior engineering and partly due to the sliding doors that create a wide, welcoming entry point. Every measurement of the cabin has been calculated to ensure maximum mobility for the user. The roof height allows you to sit upright comfortably on the bed, work on a laptop, or just relax without feeling boxed in. With the optional rooftop storage box or attachable tent setup, the storage capacity expands dramatically, accommodating outdoor gear like bicycles, surfboards, or hiking equipment. The cabin walls have built-in insulation to maintain interior temperature, which is incredibly helpful during cold nights or hot summer afternoons. Whether you're parked at a campsite, forest edge, or a sandy beach, the Dokker manages to turn any location into a comfortable mini-home. Asterisk, in terms of technology, the 2025 Dokker Camper brings a balanced combination of modern convenience and rugged simplicity. You get a central infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control, alongside a digital instrument cluster that provides useful real-time driving data. USB ports, charging outlets, and optional solar panel hookups make it easy to stay connected. Travelers can charge their phones, cameras, or portable devices without draining the main battery. The electrical system is designed to distribute power efficiently, particularly when running interior lights, the refrigerator, or the water pump. Safety features include traction control, hill start assist, updated airbag placement, and reinforced door beams. These additions make the Dokker not just a budget-friendly camper van, but a smart and safe one too. Asterisk, what truly separates the 2025 Dacia Dokker camper from many competitors is its affordability combined with practicality. While many camper vans cost as much as luxury SUVs or small houses, the Dokker keeps ownership within reach for young adventurers, small families, and retirees who prefer simple, stress-free travel. It proves that you don't need a giant motorhome to explore the world comfortably. The operating cost is low, fuel economy is excellent, and maintenance is straightforward thanks to widely available Dacia and Renault service networks. Insurance costs remain modest, and the durable materials ensure the interior can handle years of continual use. The Dokker camper offers a sense of freedom without the financial burden typically associated with vans, making it one of the most attractive options in its category. Asterisk ultimately, the 2025 Dacia Dokker camper is a vehicle designed for people who want exploration without complications. It blends minimalist design with modern functionality, delivers efficient performance without compromising comfort, and provides all the essentials of a home on wheels inside a compact, easy-to-drive package. Whether you are planning weekend escapes, nationwide road trips, or long-term nomadic living, the Dokker delivers everything you need in a simple yet satisfying form. It is a reminder that adventure does not depend on size or luxury, but on the freedom to move, the courage to explore, and the comfort of knowing your vehicle is reliable, efficient, and ready for wherever the road leads. This 2025 model represents a new chapter for Dacia, chapter where innovation meets simplicity and where every traveler, regardless of budget, can experience the joy of turning miles into memories.